Okay, first I want to say hello, Jessica. I'm kind of going out on a limb here. I spoke with you on the phone and I asked you if I could grab an email and send you over a short video showing how you compare online with your competitors and your website. And you had expressed that your son had just built it for you, and but thank you anyway. And so I kind of figured maybe I would just take a look and see what was going on. And I wanted to just kind of help you out. Wasn't really looking for anything from this. I just wanted to help you. So this is your website here. I see that. It's beautiful. It looks good right here. But there's some key factors that maybe you could pass on to your son, or maybe you can take this into consideration to really get you where you need to be on Google and what the rank structure and how that works. You really need content, backlinks, and citations. So, for example, I typed in kitchen cabinets, Fayetteville. Of course, you know that anytime you type something in here, these are considered keywords, and Google uses these keywords that are typed in to find websites that best fit this search criteria. That's called search engine optimization, or SEO. And then Google will categorize those sites based on the content that's in there, and that's how you establish rank. I mean, Google crawls millions of websites daily looking for content that's typed in here and then categorizes it. Typically, you would want 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your site, depending on your competition. Your homepage really needs to have a little bit more than that written into it. For example, just to throw this out there, this is my business website. And when people first land on your homepage, the first page, you really want some content in there where they can kind of sit down, read, understand what you're all about. You really need a little bit more on your homepage aside from just that. I'm not saying that, you have to. I'm just pointing out, things that Google looks for as far as content and things like that go. I did see that you are right here in the map. That's awesome. Don't get me wrong. That is awesome right here in the map. That's great. That's related to a Google Business Profile, your area of coverage, citations that you have, name, address, phone number to all rank here in the map. But underneath the map is where the magic happens. That's where the organic ranking starts to happen. Organic. And how do companies get on the first page of Google? And what's going on with that? How do you get here? So there's a few things that are behind it. So we have your website, and I have a tool that I use. It's called Ahrefs, and it shows me what's going on behind the scenes and how a website or a company is doing with their site and how well they're ranking. Now I see that your site, you have 167 backlinks. A backlink is where one website links to another. It's like an endorsement of your site from another website, and Google uses that to build popularity and trust in your business. Not all backlinks are created equal. So, for example, maybe a concrete paving company backlinking to you isn't as strong as another cabinet company relating back to you, or another cabinet website using you in reference. From that, I can see you have 20 domains, referring domains, other websites connected to you. So here's where the content and the keywords come into play. You have 11 of them, and it's really only generating about 3 people a month in traffic. So for an example, I think what I do, Brock Cabinets. Here we have Brock Cabinets. I took them at number 3, and this is their website. And what's going on behind the scenes with them, and why are they in the third spot? Well, aside from the fact that they have 12,000 backlinks and 127 referring domains, which, by the way, all of these backlinks are accessible to you. You can have all these backlinks and more. They have 155 keywords within their content, driving 256 views per month. So when people are typing into the Google search, cabinets near me, cabinets around me, yes, they're getting you in the map, but your website isn't driving any traffic. And it's because your content and what's within your keywords isn't strong enough for Google to recognize that. So let's take a look just to give you a little bit more. Just want to help out here. So the search volume per month, how many times per month a particular keyword is being searched. So maybe cabinets, North Carolina, 200 times. Aristocraft, 1,000 times. Cabinets, Fayetteville, North Carolina, 70. Kitchen cabinets, Fayetteville, 70. Cabinets in North Carolina, 200. Let's see what else we got here. Cabinets North Carolina again, 200. Cabinets Wilmington, Benton Burlap Cabinets, 90. So what I want you to do to understand, excuse me, was that these particular keywords create this much volume totaled collectively per month. And that creates a lot of exposure. When you have a lot of exposure or a lot of the content and the keywords that people are typing into, you generate a lot of traffic. So I just wanted to kind of put that out there. One other thing I really wanted to help out with in your site is I wanted to show you some other things that can help you rank because Google looks at this as well. So photos. Any photo that is in your website needs to be tagged or labeled correctly. So if I took this photo and I want no, not save link. Maybe I looked at save image. Here we go. It says D1. This should say J&J Kitchen Remodel or something to that effect. Because in your content, you would have that you remodel kitchens, you do bathrooms, maybe sinks, stoves, anything. So again, you might want to see it doesn't pull any weight. These are all added factors that Google will see when you have content written within your website talking about the services that your company offers, and then you save the pictures to correlate with what's in the content. Kitchen remodel, J&J Kitchens, whatever the case may be. So you can generate some more strength and power that way by having little tips and tricks inside the website on how you save your images. So I just wanted to go over that. I just purely wanted to help you out and maybe give you a better understanding of how that works. I can see that the website was just updated on the 4th of October 2022. I can look into that. I can see that you've had this domain for about 8 years. So maybe you had the website redone because you're like, well, I have a website, but I'm not getting a lot of traffic. I don't see, I'm not getting any return on my investment, for example. What's going on? Without the right content and the backlinks and all of this coming together, your business, your website doesn't get seen. It has to be recognized by Google. So there's a lot of key factors that come into that and having a well-built website. I just want to kind of throw this your way. And if you had any questions, I'd be more than happy to talk with you. And thanks again. I appreciate it. Have a nice day.